Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing errors with the Walmart Grocery app or Walmart Plus service, follow these step-by-step instructions to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Open your device settings and navigate to the Apps or Applications section. Find the Walmart app in your list of installed applications. Step 2. Tap on the Walmart app and select Storage. Clear both the cache and data to remove any corrupted temporary files that might be causing the error. Step 3. Return to your home screen and completely close the Walmart app by swiping it away from your recent apps menu to ensure it's not running in the background. Step 4. Check your internet connection by opening a web browser or another app. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to determine if the issue is network-related. Step 5. Visit your device's app store and check for any available updates for the Walmart app. Install any pending updates to ensure you're running the latest version. Step 6. If the error persists, uninstall the Walmart app completely from your device. Then reinstall it fresh from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Step 7. After reinstalling, open the app and log in with your Walmart account credentials. Test the app functionality to verify the error has been resolved. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.